Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook tender pork chops. Begin by selecting bone-in pork chops, at least 1 inch thick, for optimal juiciness. Pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a beautiful golden brown crust. Season generously on all sides with kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your favorite spices, perhaps a touch of dried thyme. Allow the chops to sit at room temperature for about 15 minutes while you prepare your skillet. Now let's achieve that incredible sear. Place a heavy-bottomed skillet such as cast iron over medium-high heat. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed oil, swirling to coat the bottom evenly. Once the oil begins to shimmer, carefully place your pork chops into the hot pan. Sear undisturbed for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side until they develop a rich, golden brown crust. This initial searing locks in flavor and creates a delicious texture. After searing, move your chops into a preheated oven set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This gentle, even heat will finish cooking them without drying them out. Insert a reliable meat thermometer into the thickest part of one chop, being careful to avoid the bone. Bake for approximately 8 to 15 minutes, or until the internal temperature registers 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, precise temperature is your best friend for incredibly tender, juicy pork. Once cooked, immediately remove the chops from the oven and place them on a cutting board. Crucially, tent them loosely with aluminum foil and let them rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute evenly throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful. Finally, slice your perfectly cooked pork chops against the grain and serve them warm alongside your favorite accompaniments, perhaps some roasted vegetables or a fresh salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.